Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, you'll be learning how you can rename a branch in Git. So you can follow along with me. Um, so currently, I have a repository called Git revert test. Let me show it to you the remote branch also. Sorry, the remote repository. There currently I have master branch and feature one branch. So in local also, I have branch. These two branches, which is feature 1 and master. Currently I'm in the feature 1 branch. Now what you have to do is you want to rename this feature 1 to, let's say, test feature, right? What you can do is first check out to master, git checkout to master, and from there try to rename the feature 1 branch to our new name, which is called test feature, right? Let's the command is git branch -m. You have to specify the old name. Old name is feature 1, and then you have to specify the new name, which is test feature. So in this case you can see that the test feature is the branch that you have at the moment, but this is only in local repository. You have renamed only in the local repository. You have not pushed any changes to the remote repository. As an example, look at this. Still you have the old one, which is feature 1. So now let's push the changes that we did by renaming the feature 1 to test feature. That is being done by using pushing and deleting the old branch. You can type git push origin, then double hyphen delete, then specify the old one that you just renamed, which is feature 1. Feature 1, yes. Once you entered, that change will be pushed, and in the remote repository you can see there are no other branch other than master, which means I have successfully deleted the old branch. Okay, now we have our own renamed branch now, which is called a test feature, and that is not available in the remote repository. What we have to do is check out to that new feature branch or branch that you have renamed, which is, in my case, it's the test feature branch. Now I'm going to check out to that, git checkout test feature. Now we are in the test feature branch, but make sure you don't the test feature branch is not reflected in the remote repository. What you have to do is push it, git push origin test feature. By doing this, you ensure that the newly renamed branch also there in the remote repository. Once you refresh this, the newly added branch is there other than the master, which is test feature. So that is a process that you are going to follow when you're trying to rename a branch from an old name to a new name, right? So anytime, like, you can locally rename the branch, but when it comes to handling with remote repositories, you have to delete the old branch and push the new branch. So that's about it. See you guys in another Git tutorial. And Don't forget to subscribe. I have already done a video related to Git revert. So a timestamp for that is mentioned up in the video. I will probably mention that in the description also. You can check that out if you want to undo any commit that you already did. You can use Git revert, so that video is there. So that's about it. See you guys in another one.